There are some things I don't like about Ariella. Number one is like, sometimes she gets me angry when I'm annoyed already. That's number one. And number two is that she's very sometimes she's very annoying. That's two, and that's all for what I don't like about Ariella. And what I like about Ariella is she's so kind, she's nice, and she has like, I don't know what to call it, but she's so nice, and she likes to encourage people in, what is really right. Yes, and she's brilliant. I I